In the heart of Shadow City, where the streets whispered tales of treachery and the neon lights cast long shadows, two rival factions stood on the brink of an alliance that would shake the foundations of the underworld. Marcus, leader of the Vipers, and Isabella, head of the Ravens, had long been adversaries in the cutthroat world of organized crime. But as the Syndicate's power waned and new threats emerged on the horizon, they realized that their survival depended on cooperation rather than conflict. With cautious steps, Marcus reached out to Isabella, proposing an alliance that would see their factions pooling their resources and strength. At first, Isabella was skeptical. Trust was a rare commodity in their world. But Marcus's persistence and the promise of mutual benefit eventually won her over. As they forged their alliance in the shadows, Marcus and Isabella knew that they would face opposition from within the Syndicate. Rival factions would see their partnership as a threat to their own power and would stop at nothing to see them fail. But Marcus and Isabella were not ones to back down from a challenge. With cunning and guile, they navigated the treacherous waters of Syndicate politics, outmaneuvering their rivals and cementing their hold over Shadow City. Together, they expanded their influence, striking deals and forging alliances with other factions willing to join their cause. And as their power grew, so too did their enemies' determination to see them fall. But Marcus and Isabella were prepared. They had built their alliance on a foundation of trust and mutual respect, and nothing, not even the Syndicate's most ruthless adversaries, could tear them apart. As the sun set on Shadow City, casting long shadows over its labyrinthine streets, Marcus and Isabella stood side by side, ready to face whatever challenges the future might bring. For in the world of organized crime, where loyalty was a rare commodity and betrayal lurked around every corner, their alliance was a beacon of hope in the darkness, a testament to the power of cooperation in the face of adversity.